Millionaires, get ready for a geopolitical showdown that will leave you stunned. India versus Germany, it's not just a match, it's a clash of economic titans, a battle for global supremacy. Can the ancient wisdom of India outsmart the industrial might of Germany? Buckle up as we embark on a thrilling journey through numbers, trends, and expert analysis. We are not just comparing nations, we are dissecting their economic DNA, revealing hidden strengths, and predicting future trajectories. This isn't just a video, it's a strategic playbook for understanding the global economy. So, grab your thinking caps, because we are about to unveil the secrets that could reshape the world order. Hello, my fellow millionaires. Welcome back to another mind-blowing episode of Geopolitical. Today, we are diving deep into a question that has sparked countless debates. Can India, the land of a billion opportunities, truly outshine Germany, the industrial powerhouse of Europe? This isn't just a hypothetical question, it's a battle for economic dominance that could redefine the global landscape. Let's introduce our gladiators. India, a demographic behemoth with a population exceeding 1.4 billion, is experiencing an economic resurgence. Germany, the engineering marvel of the West, has been a cornerstone of European stability. Both nations are economic powerhouses, but their strategies, strengths, and challenges paint a vastly different picture. Round 1. Economic growth. India's economic growth has been nothing short of spectacular. With an average GDP growth rate of around 7% in recent years, it's one of the world's fastest growing major economies. The Make in India initiative and a booming tech sector have fueled this impressive surge. However, challenges like infrastructure bottlenecks and income inequality persist. While Germany's economic growth is more of a marathon than a sprint. Known for its export-oriented model, the country has built a reputation for quality and reliability. However, the global economic slowdown and increasing competition from emerging markets have put a strain on its growth engine. Round 2. Demographics, the population game changer. India's young population is its most potent weapon. With a median age of around 29, the country has a vast pool of potential workers. This demographic dividend can supercharge economic growth if investments in education and skill development are made. While Germany is grappling with an aging population, which is shrinking its workforce. While automation and immigration can partially offset this, the long-term implications for the economy are significant. Round 3. Technological titans. India is undergoing a digital transformation. Its tech industry is booming, with startups and IT giants making waves globally. The country's focus on digital payments and financial inclusion is reshaping its economy. While Germany's reputation as an innovation powerhouse is well-deserved. Its strengths lie in precision engineering, automotive, and renewable energy. However, maintaining its edge in the face of rapid technological advancements is a constant challenge. Round 4. Manufacturing muscle. India aims to become the world's manufacturing hub. Government initiatives like Make in India are attracting global manufacturers. However, improving infrastructure and skill development are critical for realizing this vision. While Germany's manufacturing sector is a global benchmark, its focus on quality, efficiency, and sustainability has made it a leader in various industries. However, rising labor costs and global competition are forcing the country to adapt. Round 5. Global influence. India's global influence is on the ascent. Its growing economy, large population, and democratic values make it a key player on the world stage. The country is increasingly assertive in global forums. While Germany is the undisputed leader of the European Union, its economic clout and political stability give it significant influence over European policies. However, the challenges facing the EU could impact Germany's global standing. Round 6. Infrastructure and connectivity. India is investing heavily in infrastructure with a focus on roads, railways, airports, and digital connectivity. The government's ambitious plans aim to bridge the infrastructure gap and boost economic growth. However, challenges in land acquisition and project execution persist. While Germany boasts a world-class infrastructure network with efficient transportation systems and reliable energy supply, the country's focus on sustainability has led to significant investments in renewable energy infrastructure. However, maintaining and upgrading this infrastructure is an ongoing challenge. Round 7: Education and Human Capital. India is prioritizing education and skill development to harness its demographic dividend. Government initiatives aim to improve access to quality education and vocational training. However, challenges in improving educational outcomes and reducing dropout rates persist. While Germany has a strong emphasis on vocational training and apprenticeships, leading to a highly skilled workforce, the country's education system is renowned for its quality and focus on practical skills. However, attracting and retaining talent remains a challenge. Round 8: Investment Climate. India is emerging as a preferred investment destination with a growing startup ecosystem and a favorable business environment. Government reforms and infrastructure development are attracting foreign investment. However, bureaucratic hurdles and corruption remain challenges. While Germany is a stable and attractive investment destination with a strong rule of law and a skilled workforce, the country offers a conducive environment for businesses to thrive. However, high labor costs and increasing competition from other countries are challenges. Round 9: Financial Markets. India's financial markets are maturing rapidly, with a growing investor base and a deepening debt market. The country's financial sector is playing a crucial role in driving economic growth. However, challenges in financial inclusion and market volatility persist. While Germany has well-developed financial markets with a strong banking sector and a deep capital market, the country's financial system is stable and resilient. However, the impact of global financial crisis and regulatory changes pose challenges. Round 10: Consumer Market. India has a rapidly growing middle class, leading to a surge in consumer spending. The country's consumer market offers immense opportunities for businesses. However, challenges in income inequality and uneven distribution of purchasing power persist. While Germany has a mature consumer market with high purchasing power, the country's focus on sustainability and quality products has shaped consumer preferences. However, low population growth and changing consumer behavior pose challenges. Bonus round: The X Factor. Geopolitical tensions, trade wars, and supply chain disruptions can be game changers. Both India and Germany are vulnerable to these external shocks, which could significantly impact their economic trajectories. To sum it up, India and Germany are on divergent paths to economic prosperity. India's youthful demographics and rapid digitalization are its strengths, but infrastructure and education remain challenges. Germany's industrial prowess and technological leadership are formidable, but demographic headwinds and global competition. The question of whether India can surpass Germany is complex and depends on numerous factors. Both countries have the potential to shape the global economy, but their strategies and priorities will determine their ultimate success. Millionaires, we've presented a comprehensive analysis. Now, it's your turn. Who do you think will emerge as the ultimate economic champion, India or Germany? Share your insights in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Wondrous Millionaires for more in-depth analysis.